Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on order of operations worksheets. So this video presents a worksheet on order of operations. This is one of the most important topics in mathematics because when we are given two or more operations to perform, and also when there are brackets involved, there is a very specific order. And it's very, very important to know that order, and that way we can get the correct answer. Now, if you're not sure what to do, you haven't seen this before, on the next slide you will be directed to click on a particular link, and the link will take you to a lesson, and the lesson explains how to do all these examples. Now, I'll just give you one clue from the lesson. On the lesson there is a very important word, and it's this word here. B O D M A S. This word appears in the lesson and it gives us a clue as to the order of operations, which operations we do first. That stands for brackets of, that's just, don't worry about the word of, it's just put in there so we can make a word. Division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So that's the order that we do the operations in. Now, when the multiplication and the division are done, because they've got to be done first, that's if there are no brackets, then you do addition and subtraction from left to right. Now we'll see how this works. Of course there are some examples here, but the explanation in the lesson is very detailed. Number 1, 12 plus 4 divided by 2. Now, what do we have? Addition and division. So which one of those operations comes first in this letter? Division does. So division has to be done first. So there's your first clue. Next one. 12 plus 3 multiplied by 5. We have addition and multiplication. So, which one comes first? Have a look. Multiplication comes first, so we do that first, because M is for multiplication. So you cannot do the addition first because multiplication comes first. And they're all the same, except now we come here. Notice here there's multiplication and subtraction. What does the formula say? B, whatever's in the brackets has to be done first. Doesn't matter what it is. If you have brackets, you do that first. And then you can do the multiplication. Same here. You must do what's in the bracket first. You have to do the division first. And then the subtraction. You must do the brackets first. Here, pick all the divisions and multiplications, do those first, then work from left to right. And it's the same all the way through. If you follow this formula carefully, take your time and write each line down, you should be okay. So this video has given us a worksheet where we can practice doing order of operations, and we're guided by this very important word BODMAS, which tells us the order. And on the next slide there is a link which takes you to the lesson. So if you're not sure what to do, click on the link and it will explain how to do all the examples.